In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some functionality issues that I came across while setting up my MiHome power adapters, and a few other additional problems that you may need to know about if you're thinking about buying these as well. And at the end of the video, I'll show you a few other features that you may not be aware of. Hello everybody, it's Mick with another Smart Home Solutions video. Now in today's video I wanted to show you the process I went through setting up the MiHome power adapters. It was all very straightforward, but it was when I started to try and pair them with remote controls, the app and also Amazon Echo that I came into a few issues that I think you need to know about if you're thinking about buying these as well. Okay, let's get straight into the video and I'll show you the setup process step by step. Alexa, switch on adapter 1. Alexa, switch off adapter 1. Alexa, switch on adapter 1. So once you've unpaired the adapters from the app and then re-added them as we did at the start, then they work perfectly again. You can go into the app and you can switch them on and off, and it works as you would expect. And also it works with the Amazon Echo. I'm not going to mention her name because she'll start having a go at me. That works as you would expect also. It's only when you pair the remote that it seems to cause problems. So there you go, there's one or two things I think you should know about if you're thinking about purchasing the MiHome adapters. A couple of things there that a bit frustrating really. It doesn't give you the information that you need to know, like knowing which lights or which adapters you've got on or off. It's no good just briefly indicating that they've been switched on or off. You need to know what's on and what's off, in my mind anyway. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button here or the one down below, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.